This video I'll be explaining types of edges. So basically there are four types of edges in a graph. One is tree edge, cross edge, back edge and forward edge. Okay, so in order to understand these types of edges, we need to construct a DFS tree of a graph. So already I've explained how to construct DFS tree. Basically we are going to use simple DFS traversal and going to write the vertex in a form of a tree. So suppose I'll be starting DFS traversal from vertex A. Okay, so from vertex A, I'll be starting DFS traversal. Then from vertex A, I'll iterate its adjacent vertex. And if I got any unvisited adjacent vertex, then I will leave the current vertex and start exploring its adjacent vertex. So this was the DFS algorithm. So if I see vertex A, its adjacent vertex is B and C. Suppose from A I traverse to B, I find B is unvisited. So what I will do is that I will leave the current vertex, vertex A, and start exploring vertex B. So the edge that is forming due to simple DFS traversal in a DFS tree is known as tree edge. So this is a tree edge. Okay. Now from vertex B, we find that there are no adjacent vertex left. So I'll return back to the caller. The caller of vertex B is vertex A. Now from vertex A, still there are unvisited adjacent vertex, that is vertex C and vertex D. So we can traverse to any of the unvisited adjacent vertex. So suppose from vertex A, I traverse to vertex C. So traversal is done by using tree edge. Okay. Simple DFS traversal is done by using tree edge. Now from A, I traverse to vertex C. I reached vertex C. Now from vertex C, I'll again iterate its adjacent vertex. Its adjacent vertex are B, B and D. So if we iterate vertex B, we find that vertex B is already visited, but still there is a edge. There is a edge from vertex C to vertex B, but vertex B is already visited. So this edge is known as cross edge. So cross edge means that for a vertex, say vertex C, this vertex is not having any relation with its ancestor and with its descendant. Okay, it is just connecting to some other vertex which is not its ancestor or not its descendant. So this type of edge that joins the vertex is known as cross edge in a DFS tree. Now the unvisited vertex from vertex C is vertex D. So suppose I move to vertex D with the help of tree edge. Now from vertex D, unvisited adjacent vertex is vertex E. Okay. Now if we explore vertex E, we find that it is connecting to vertex C. It is connecting to vertex C, but vertex C is already visited. So there is an edge, and this edge is known as back edge. Okay, this edge is known as a back edge. So what is back edge? For a vertex, if there is a edge that is connecting to its ancestor, that is connecting to its ancestor vertex, and its ancestor vertex is already visited, so this type of edge is known as back edge. So if there is a back edge in a graph, it means that there is a cycle. So already I have explained that back edge concept helps to detect cycle in a graph. Okay, now as we have already visited vertex C, therefore for vertex E no unvisited adjacent vertex is there. So what I will do is that I will iterate and move to its caller. So its caller was vertex D. Now from vertex D, there are no unvisited adjacent vertex. So move to vertex C, the caller of vertex D. Now from C, again I will move to vertex A, the caller of vertex C. Now from vertex A, there is a edge that is connecting to already visited vertex. Okay. from A there is a edge connecting to already visited vertex. So this edge is known as forward edge. So this edge is known as a forward edge. A vertex, say A, has a connection with its descendant vertex, by a edge in a tree. That edge is known as forward edge. So basically there are four types of edges. In graph there is a concept of articulation point and bridges, where we have to use the concept of back edge. Okay, so this back edge concept is important in case of articulation point, in case of cycle detection algorithm. Okay, so these are the types of edges. I'm again repeating that with the help of tree edge we are performing simple DFS traversal and making a DFS tree. With the help of cross edge, from a vertex U we are having a connection with vertex V, and this vertex V is already visited, but it is not the ancestor of vertex U, neither the descendant of vertex U. Okay, so this type of edge is known as cross edge. Now consider vertex U. Vertex U has a connection with vertex V, and vertex V is already visited and it is ancestor of vertex U. So this type of edge is known as back edge. And if we consider forward edge, it means that consider again vertex U and vertex V. There is a connection from vertex U to vertex V. Vertex V is already visited and vertex V is the descendant vertex with respect to vertex U. So the type of edge is known as the forward edge that joins vertex U and vertex V.